Come here. Come here. Do you want to see something?
Alex, are you ready for a surprise?
Yes.
Okay, you wait there.
What has Daddy got?
There's another.
Whoa, come here.
Huh?
You want to check it out?
Okay.
Okay, come here.
Come on, Bubs.
Do you want to get on it?
This? Okay.
Here, sit down.
Lift his leg over. This is new for him. Not
You're
had to
gonna-
get his leg over before.
You gonna buckle him in?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you gotta put a foot here. One there. Right.
On here.
All right, you ready?
Yes.
You push.
Pushing down. Then push this one.
Now push that one. There you go. Keep going.
Look,
No,
Alex.
put your foot up.
Put your foot down here. Put it down. Wow. Oh, look at you going. Push
Whoa.
this one down.
I know what
And
it is.
this one. Push it down. Ooh. Not that far. Wow. What do you think?
Put your foot up. Put your foot up. There you
Can
go.
you push it down?
Push.
Push this foot down. Gotta push it down a bit further than that, Bubs. I just push down.
Whoa. Good
what's
job.
Yeah, that's the steering. Harder.
Yay.
Where you going? Wow.
Whoa, buddy.
Great
Is that
job.
fun?
You go on your own. You got this.
Push.
Push the pedals round.
Push with your feet.
Your footsies, push.
Yeah, there you go. Uh-oh.
Look out, Ginger Cat.
Ah.
Toot, 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 toot. Yay!
Buddy, you having fun?
Yes.
Do you like it? My strap is a little loose. You gonna go? Go, go! Push with your feet. Push with this foot. There you go. Push. Hey, Alex. You all done?
Yes.
Okay, we'll let you go, okay?